Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your presentation and navigating to the exact slide you'll modify. Select the text or object you want as the link. This is where the action begins. Once selected, right-click or use the Insert menu to access hyperlink options. Make sure to choose the appropriate link type, internal slide, external file, URL, or mailto, because each behaves differently when presented. Doing this avoids broken links later and prepares you for precise linking steps. Now insert the hyperlink. Choose Insert Link or right-click and pick Hyperlink. In the dialog, set the destination precisely, pick this document for internal slides, existing file for local documents, or web page for URLs, because accuracy ensures click reliability. Add a screen tip to clarify destination to viewers. Before closing, click Test or Open to confirm the link opens the correct target. If it fails, fix the path now rather than later to avoid surprises during the present. Finish by applying the link and immediately previewing in slideshow mode so you see the real behavior. Once done, save your file and use relative paths if you plan to move the presentation with linked files. This prevents broken references. If a link fails, check that the URL is correct, the file path hasn't changed, and permissions allow access. If problems persist, recreate the link or embed the file as a last resort to guarantee availability during your presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.